Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to set time on Naviforce 9236 model watch. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe it. Let's get started. The very first step to set time on this Naviforce 9236 model watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode. How to identify? You can see here P is mentioned, that is PM, hour, minute and second is mentioned over here on the display, as well as month and a date is given. If you are in different function, you have to press left side down button. As you see here, this is stopwatch, this is another function, alarm mode, this is something other. So keep on pressing until you come in timekeeping mode. Once you come in timekeeping mode, you have to press right side down button for few seconds. You can see here the hour is blinking. This means this is not the particular time setting mode that we want to go for. Again press right side down button, then press left side down button one more time. Now this is the actual timekeeping mode where we have to set a time. Now to set a time, you have to press right side down button for few seconds. You can see here the second is blinking. Now to make it 0 or to adjust it, you have to press right side top button. So after pressing it, you can see here the second is being 0. After this, to adjust hour and minute, you have to press again left side down button once. Now you can see here the hour is blinking, that is 9. Now to go ahead, you have to press right side top button one by one, 10, 11, 12. So if you continue press this same button, it even changes AM and PM as shown on the video. You can see here clearly. Now I have arrived in PM again. If I continue press this, I can go towards AM. As you see here, now this is AM. After adjusting hour, to adjust minute, you have to press left side down button one more time. You can see here the minute have started blinking. Now you have to do the same. Press right side top button to go ahead. 27, 28, 29, 30. In this way you can adjust minute. Now let's move towards month and date. Press again left side down button. Now you can see here month is blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead, as shown on the video. So this is the month that is going ahead, 11, 12, 1, 2. So like this you can adjust month. After adjusting month, to adjust date, you have to press again left side down button. You can see here date is blinking, that is 25. Again press right side top button, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this is how you can adjust date. After adjusting these, now to adjust days of a week, again press left side down button. You can see here Monday is blinking. Now it's time to choose days of a week. Press right side top button to go ahead. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. In this way you can even choose days of a week. So after adjusting days of a week, if you press this left side down button, you can see here you can choose hour format. Currently I'm in 12 hour format. If you want to go ahead, press right side top button. So this is 24, and if I will do the same, it goes back to 12. Now again press left side down button. So whatever adjustment you have done, it's over fixed here. Now after this also you can see the second is blinking. Press right side down button to keep it fixed. Then to adjust analog time, pull out the crown outside, rotate it clockwise, set the time according to the digital time and push it back. So this is how you can set time. If you find this video helpful, subscribe it.